So, the same laws that protect your child's rights to an education also protects diversity, equity, and inclusion, and you can't eliminate one without threatening the other. When states try to ban concepts like inclusion or equity, they're undermining the very foundation that guarantees your child's rights to access education and accommodations. If you don't hear anything else that I say, hear me when I say the current attacks on diversity and inclusion aren't just about race or gender. They threaten accessible classrooms, educational accommodations, integration in schools, support services, because all of these rights stem from the same legal principles. And you can't throw the principles out for one group without throwing them out for all groups. When we hear certain terms, we automatically equate it to race, gender, or sexual orientation. But when states say things like, let's eliminate diversity programs, that includes disability inclusion. Let's eliminate equity measures, that includes accommodation requirements. Let's remove inclusion initiatives, that includes mainstreaming programs. These aren't separate issues. They're all protected under the same rights and the same frameworks. This is why we can't afford to pick and choose which civil rights to protect. When we allow discrimination against any group, we weaken the legal protections for all groups. Your child's right to an appropriate education exists largely in part to the civil rights laws that demand equity and inclusion. Okay,